Hi. So if you are a regular user of Shopify and the if you are building landing page for your product, then you know Gempages very well. So recently, what happened to Gempages is because of an API issue with Mailchimp, Gempages has been unlisted from Shopify app. And if you search for Gempages in App Store, you won't find it anywhere. So if you come to their website and click on free trial, you will see that the join list and the registration is temporarily closed, and it will be available again in November. So for the upcoming 6 months, there will be no gem pages to be installed for new store, but gem pages will be work fine for the old store that is already installed the gem pages, but you cannot able to install gem pages for new store for upcoming 6 months. So this is being a something very tough situation for some of the clients of mine as well. And if you are one of the regular user of gem pages, then you might be thought what could be the best alternative. So in that case, the best alternative could be Pagefly. So this is the Pagefly app, and also you'll find a link in the description to install it. So you will find that this have the most reviews for a page builder of Shopify in Shopify app store. Right now it has 5,000 plus reviews, and also it customer support, and everything is good. Unless one thing that cannot be done by Pagefly is the swatch. The gem pages can be have the swatches, but Pagefly don't have the swatches. This is one of the main things about Pagefly. And also the gem pages template is quite modern and quite something ready to go, but in Pagefly you won't find many template that is actually looks good or quite high converting. So this how this fly down, but you can design whatever you want. So this page fly could be better, and I think the better alternative of gem pages. So for upcoming 6 months, if you have many projects or if you are in deadlines, then Pagefly is the ultimate solution right now. So you can install it and play around it and see if that works for you and if it fits your needs. So you will find the link in the description as well to install it. So we hope Gempages will be returned soon, because Gempages is one of the most popular page builder for Shopify. But right now, if you are looking for an alternative, then Pagefly could be the solution. So I hope that answered the question that Gempages won't be available until November by further announcement in their official Facebook group, and also they have sent an email today about that announcement. So if you are looking for an alternative, you could try Pagefly, and if you already have installed gem pages in previously, then it is fine and you can work with it. So hope you like the video, and if you enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comment. And what do you think about the alternative of gem pages? If you have found already an alternative, let me know in the comment. Thank you very much for watching the video.